Dog the tank!
Are they going to blow up under the German tanks?
Agreed, it's a barbaric way. But better dogs than a man.
Come back! This is a war, damn it! We'll go under the tanks, you and me both, if we have to.
Pavel, do it!
God damn it, what did you do? He saw everything! He won't go there now!
He'll go with me.
Elda! Stand by! Go! Nina! 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 Nina!